In this Adobe Premiere Pro tutorial, we're going to create a stylized digital glitch effect that makes your footage look like it's experiencing digital signal distortion. This effect is commonly used in gaming edits, glitch transitions, textile visuals, and cyberpunk videos. Let's get started. First, select your clip on the timeline. Now go to the effects panel and search for VR digital glitch. Drag and drop the effect onto your clip. Next, open the effect controls panel. Here you'll see several settings that control how the glitch effect behaves. First is the point of interest. This controls the center position where the distortion is calculated. You can move this point to change where the glitch distortion is focused in the frame. Next is POI scale. This controls the size of the area around the point of interest that the glitch effect affects. Increasing this value spreads the distortion across a larger portion of the frame. Then look at POI aspect. This adjusts the horizontal or vertical stretching of the distortion area. Next is the master amplitude slider. This is the main control that determines how strong the glitch effect appears. Increasing this value will make the distortion more aggressive. Below that, you'll see the distortion and noise controls. These adjust how chaotic the glitch pattern becomes. Higher values create heavier digital corruption and more visible glitch artifacts. You can also change the random seed value. Changing this number generates a completely new glitch pattern. This is useful if you want to try different distortion styles quickly. Play the clip and experiment with these controls to create the digital glitch look you want. And that's it. You've successfully created a stylized digital glitch effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.